So Android 14 is just a few months away, and a beta version are out on some devices. Well, the roadmap of Samsung devices that will get Android 14 is out, and I took a look at it. And one may ask the question, is my phone on the list to receive Android 14 One UI 6.0? Well, let's discuss the list of devices that will get it, and let's discuss the unfortunates that will not get it. So sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So let's look at the Samsung list that's slated to get Android 14. Looking at this list, you see the devices that's slated to get One UI 6.0 Android 14. Devices such as the flagships, the Galaxy S21 to their latest Galaxy S23. Now that does seem a bit light, but even worse, looking at the most expensive lineup, the Z lineup, it's only the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 is not on the list. But looking at the A lineup, it's also a bit light. But the more shocking of it all is the Tab lineup. Only the Tab S8 and the 8 Plus and the 8 Ultra is one of the devices that's getting Android 14. If you have one of these devices, congratulations to you. You're on the list. Well, let's look at the unfortunates, right? The unfortunates that's going to be stuck on Android 13 One UI 5. So let's take a look at this list. As you can see on this list, a lot of your beloved devices, including the Galaxy Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra, the Galaxy S20 series of devices, the Galaxy Z Fold 2, the A23s, the A71s are on the list of not getting updates. What's shocker is the Tab S7 and the Tab S7 Plus is done with OS updates. Man, it's a head scratcher. Well, you know, Samsung did make some changes to their upgrade policy that support devices from 2 to 3 years back then. But they've upgraded it in 2022 that started committing to support the devices for 5 years. 4 major OS upgrades and 5 years of security patches. So what does this mean? Will your older device will stop working? Is it time to spend money on the newer devices? Well, the answer to that question is yes and no. Listen, if you're a tech nerd, then OS updates is very important to you, right? You want the latest version of Android. You want the latest One UI. Look, everyone else will be on Android 13. Your device will be fine. Look, your device that worked fast now will be working fast later. You will still get security patches. Android 13 is a fantastic operating system, by the way. So if your device doesn't receive an OS update, again, you will still get security patches, whether or not it's going to be monthly or quarterly. That's most important, believe it or not. You got to also remember, this is Android. And if you want to make your device look and feel like anything, welcome to launchers. There's a bunch of launchers in the App Store that make your device look and feel like any device out there. You can make it look like Android 14 if you want. You can make it fast. You can make it fluid. You can fully customize your device to the full of its capabilities. So no worries there. Remember, devices like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra are very powerful phones. Look, you can make them work for years. Remember, they're still going to get security patches. All you got to do is throw on the launcher and customize it, and you will have no problem. No problem there. So there's no need to panic. Your phone won't just stop working because you're not getting the latest updates, the latest OS updates. You got to remember, I have over 200 smartphones. 90% of 220 or 30 smartphones that I have won't even get Android 14. But if OS updates is very important to you, then the answer to that question is yes, you might want to upgrade. If you want the latest and greatest from Samsung, you might have to buy the latest and greatest from Samsung. Remember now, Samsung is on a 5-year schedule, 4 years of OS updates, and 5 years of security patches. So yes, you could get the latest and greatest. But I would still say this. If you want to rock your older devices till the wheels fall off, you good. It's no need to panic. It's no need to run out and buy the latest devices because of OS updates. Remember, security patches to me is more important. But if you're a tech enthusiast, this video ain't for you. Most tech enthusiasts will always buy the latest and greatest tech. They always want the new hotness. They always want the new updates. That's tech enthusiasts. This video is not for them. This video is for the regular degulars that like to enjoy their devices till it clunks out, till the wheels fall off. Just that this video is for those folks. So are you a tech enthusiast or a tech nerd that always want the latest OS updates, that really want Android 14, 15, 16 that you anticipate on it? Let me know down in the comments below. But are you a regular degular person that will rock that device till it clunks out, save a bunch of money in the long term, rock that device till the wheels fall off, go on the App Store, get custom launchers, make your device look and feel like $1 million, make it run like $1 million, fully customize it, and no need to panic about OS updates. Are you that person? Are you the tech enthusiast, the tech nerd, or the regular degular that want to save money in the long run? Let me know down in the comments below. Let's have a conversation. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this Android 14 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.